Alright then, so we just got this brand new bike. Well, 2015, but new enough. Alright, check it out, here you go. So here it is, a 2015 Yamaha FZ09. It's a 847cc engine, and Yamaha says it makes 112 horsepower. I have not taken it to a dyno yet, so I guess we'll see. You know what? Expect that video pretty soon, so stay tuned. Now then, at about 44 miles per gallon-ish, it does pretty good on gas, depending on your speeding habits, of course. The bike is relatively stock, aside from steel braided brake lines and the exhaust. It's a black wood exhaust from the UK. The previous owner crashed off this bike. I'm sure he's okay, hopefully, maybe, and his insurance company wrote it off as totaled. That's when I bought this at an auction. I got this bike back in March, fixed it up in a few weeks, got it inspected, then I didn't get the title back until July 19th, I think. I'm not entirely sure why it took so long, but it's here now, so